Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, remove the 2 screws securing the system's side cover to lift the cover off the system. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing. Unlatch and unplug the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Secure the system's side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.